Welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to filter data so we can easily search the relevant data that we want in a big list. So one way to do it is to use the filter feature in Excel. So first we're going to open Microsoft Excel and input our data. So as you can see in here in my worksheet, I already have my data. So it's a long list, but I am only interested with all the female grade 5 students who signed up for my survey. So if I tried looking at each data and checking their gender and their grade levels, it will be very exhausting. So I can make this easier by using the filter function. So first we'll highlight our data. Go to data and then press filter. So after clicking the filter, this drop down arrows will appear in the column titles. So since I only want to look at information from grade 5 students, I have to filter it. So I click this drop down arrow and then this dialog box will then show up. So I can type 5 in the search bar or uncheck the select all and then select 5 and then click OK. So as you can see in here, my data is already filtered. I only have those information from grade 5 students. So if I want to even filter it even more, that is I want only female students to show up, then I can again use the filter feature. So I click the drop down arrow in here and then I can just type female here or again and select all and then just choose female and then click OK. So as you can see in here, the data displayed is the only data that I am interested in, that is from grade 5 students that are female. The filter can also be used to single out a particular information. So example, I only want to search for a particular student, so namely Clementine. So I can just click this drop down arrow and then type Clementine's name in the search bar and then click OK. Right away, Clementine's data is the only data displayed in here. Here's a short demo, please watch. Well done! Thanks for watching this video. Hit the subscribe and like button for more. See you in the next video.